morning. So starting off, we're using the petite sirloin steaks. I pounded 2 already, and that will feed for my children. 1 is still asleep. So here the meat is pounded out, and we're getting ready to heat up this oil. This is my Pioneer Woman skillet, my favorite skillet. It has a little butterfly. And we're going to place our steak in the pan and let it cook on each side for about maybe 4 minutes each, and I'm going to cover that and pepper the steak. All right, so we got our bagel lids open and cream cheesed, and now we're going to stir up our eggs. I don't really add milk to the eggs. I add water. I always heard that water makes scrambled eggs fluffier, so that's what I did here. So let's scramble up these eggs. There's about 5 in here, and then we're going to get these in the pan. So our steaks have browned up. I've turned them over, and now I am getting ready to cover them back up before I cut them up. Here I'm just going to put a little bit of pepper and yeah, and get these covered up. So our pan is hot and ready for our eggs. I'm just going to pour these eggs in. Let that heat up a little bit before I begin to stir. So our steaks are looking good. They're done. I peppered this side, very tender, and now I've cut them up, and now I'm getting ready to stir up our eggs. And yeah, let's just put this breakfast sandwich all together. So I've actually gone ahead and cream cheese the other lid. This is how our meat and eggs are looking. I melted some butter because I'm getting ready to butter the tops of the bagel sandwiches. I don't have a brush, so don't judge. Anyway, getting that melted butter on top of each bagel lid, and then we're going to follow up with a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning, which is everything and the bagel seasoning in this case. And let's just see how that turns out. Okay, so now here is the everything but the bagel seasoning. Like I said, it is the bagel seasoning, and I put this on everything, you guys. Like, I put it on eggs, I put it on even my top ramen sometimes. I put it on I would cut up avocados and tomatoes and just use and put it on top of that and dip chips with that. But yeah, here's our final outcome. This is how our bagel is looking. Cheddar cheese is melted, and this is my daughter's plate. I just added a cutie on there, and this is my sandwich. Mine's a little bit different. I have 100% wheat bread. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It will help me out very much. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Raychell Rivas. Go to my website, raychellrivas.com, and check out my book and hair oil. The book is also available on Amazon for purchase, called Raising Mama. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.